If you're waiting for a fully funded scholarship to study in Europe, then you might completely miss the 2026 intake, because this is the truth nobody tells you. By the time most of those fully funded scholarship videos reaches you, the deadlines are already gone. But right now, there is an opportunity in Lithuania that is still open, and if you move smart, you can still use that opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how it works. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I break down real opportunities to study, work, and move abroad, especially in affordable European countries. If this sounds like what you are interested in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bells. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. In this video today, you learn a university in Lithuania still accepting applications for 2026, the scholarship options available, the requirements and the eligibility, the application fees, the deadlines, and of course, the exact strategy you should use when applying. And also at the end of this video, I'll briefly show you another Lithuanian scholarship most people missed this year and how you can actually prepare for it early. Okay, now the university we're talking about today is known as the KTU. It is called the Kaunas Technology University. A few of you applied last year. Some people got it, some people missed the deadline. Now this is one of Lithuania's top universities, especially they are strong in technology, engineering, business, and data related fields. Now here is something very important. This is not a separate scholarship you can apply for. Okay, so this is an admission based opportunity, which means once you apply to study at KTU for a normal admission procedure, so you apply as a normal student to KTU and then you are automatically considered for a scholarship. There is no separate application for the scholarship. Now let's talk about money, because that's what everyone cares about. Yeah, now this university offers partial tuition fee waivers, and then in some cases they also offer you full tuition coverage, but again it depends. But here is the honest truth most people don't talk about. Yeah, it is not a guaranteed fully funded scholarship, and of course there is usually no monthly stipend included. But of course this is just to create the awareness that you should be aware of when applying for this particular scholarship, so you need to plan your finances properly. Okay, now do not scroll, because I know you might be wondering then what else do you need. You have to pay attention to understand what exactly the scholarship is about and if you could actually benefit from it. Now let's talk about the deadline. Very important. Now for the KTU application has been open since October 2025, and the deadline is actually the 1st of June 2026. So yes, it is still open, so don't wait till the last minute. Okay, now next I'm going to be talking about the level of study. This opportunity is mainly for master's degree programs. If you already have a bachelor's degree, you are good to go. And then if you're going for PhD applications, of course PhD applications are separate and they follow a different process. Okay, up next I'm going to be talking about the courses offered, the courses available for this particular scholarship. Now KTU offers a wide range of English taught programs, especially in artificial intelligence. Of course it's a technical university, so you have to expect this. So if you're interested in going to study into any technical program or technical related field, they have software engineering, business and management, marketing, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering. So if your background is in tech, business or engineering, then this university is a strong option for you. Okay, up next I'm going to be talking about the requirements. Very important. Now for you to apply, all you need would be your bachelor's degree. Of course, if you're going for your master's, you need a bachelor's degree, you need your academic transcript, you need your English proficiency, for example, IELTS, TOEFL, or even an equivalent, you need your motivation letter if they request, okay? And then a CV and a valid passport. Please check the official website. Sometimes they might ask you to provide a recommendation letter. Sometimes it depends. But here is something very important. There is generally no strict age limit for this one. So you can apply regardless of your age as long as you meet the academic requirements, okay? Now, I know most of you will have a question. Is there an application fee? Yes, there is an application fee because you are applying as a normal student. Remember, you apply for admission and automatically you're considered for the scholarship. So the application fee is usually around €100. So you have to prepare for that before applying. Now, I'm going to be talking next about the application process, which is very important. I'm going to simplify the process for you in this video. Now, the very first step, all you have to do is choose the course you want to study, the particular program you want to go for, and then you apply for admission to KTU, that is the Kaunas University, Lithuania. Submit all your documents, the one I've mentioned earlier, then you pay the application fee, and then you wait for admission decision. Once you apply, you are automatically again considered for the scholarship. Remember that for those of you applying from countries that are not in line with the whole academic system thing, you would have to legalize, authenticate your documents. So keep that in mind, okay? You need to legalize and authenticate your documents at some point, okay? Now, this is the part that most people don't understand. Okay, you don't have to keep waiting for perfect scholarships. So instead of just waiting to get a full funded one, check for the schools that have affordable tuition, apply for what is open, secure admission, and then look for additional funding if possible, or even write to the school and ask if they offer, because many students miss opportunities simply by waiting. And when they come, of course, when you have the opportunities come by, the fully funded ones, they are grabbed so fast and they're actually very, very competitive. So please avoid all those mistakes. Avoid waiting too long to apply, expecting everything to be fully funded, ignoring partial scholarships because you think it's too weak, or even submitting weak motivation letters or not getting the right documents. So your application quality matters more than you think. Now, before I end this video, there is something important you need to know. Earlier, I mentioned I was going to talk about a scholarship that will be ending tomorrow. I'm making this video today, and of course, I was making my research. I discovered that the scholarship would be closing tomorrow. Unfortunately, it would be late by the time you are seeing the video. But this is to get you prepared because most people already missed it this year. And the scholarship I'm talking about is the Lithuanian government scholarship. I don't know if you already have your documents ready. If you already have everything, you can apply, right? You can go ahead and apply. If you know you want to try it, I can't make a video immediately because it's already too late, right? But this particular scholarship can cover full tuition and even a monthly stipend. But again, the deadline is the 20th of April. So if you're seeing this video now, it is already most likely too late for the cycle. But of course, in my next video, I'm going to break down that particular scholarship properly, okay? I'll tell you exactly how to apply and everything it entails, okay? So guys, please make sure you do the right thing. If you know you want to study in Lithuania, I'm going to be making more videos about affordable universities. I made some last year, but of course we have to keep making every year in case there are changes to admission processes, application fees, and even requirements, right? And even tuition fees. So yeah, this is why we tend to bring up new updates and even refresh the videos. Okay, so tell me in the comments which of the applications will you be going for. Are you applying for KTU this year, or you want to go for the Lithuanian government scholarship for next year? I want to see your responses in the comments. So guys, that'll be all for today. Make sure to hit the like button again, share this video to reach a wider audience, and of course, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.